Hey, what's good, loves? Welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for the perfect prescriptions, I got just the thing for you, so stay tuned. All right, so what's good, loves? Welcome back to the channel. And if you are new, welcome. Make sure you click that subscribe button, that way we can be best friends, okay? So this video is actually sponsored by Zeelool. I have 6 pairs of glasses that I want to review for you guys, so let's get into the business, shall we? And thank you, Zeelool, for allowing me to sponsor this video. By the package, I received 6 pairs of glasses. Here they are, all inside in here. Let's go ahead and check out these bad babies. I am super excited because who don't love a cute fashionable frame to match with their everyday look and something you can see through out of, because I'm pretty sure here for a reason. So we gotta have prescriptions and style at the same time. So it's important to see, but we need to see the style too, okay? In the package, you also get your glasses cleaners right here, and I have like 6 of them. They're really, really thick, so that is good. And here is the receipt that I have for all pairs of glasses. Glasses here. So here's the first pair that I will be trying on. Plastic off for you. This is how it comes in the package. Absolutely in love with this blush pink and the blue on the sides with the cheetah print. Absolutely fabulous. Clean these off and try them on, see how they fit and feel on my face. We're just going to get these clean, get all that lint off. And I actually like these. It definitely picks up all the lint and dirt from off the lens really good. Oh yeah, perfect. That looks good. Put these glasses on. Oh my God, these are pretty. And these match good with my outfit too. I wore the perfect outfit for this video, I see. These are the frames on me. These already are my favorite, hands down. I don't even think I want to review anymore, but we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going because we got to find your perfect frames for this video. But you can't tell me these ain't it right here. You cannot tell me. I'm gonna cut off the light that way you guys can see how this looks without the ring light, so it won't be such a distraction. These are the glasses without any lights. I mean, I still have my mirror lights on here, but no ring light, so you can see them a little bit better. These are the side, the other side. I absolutely love these because they just go, they complement my face, they complement the outfit really good. I am feeling the cheetah print on this. These are absolutely it. These are absolutely the one. So fab. What y'all think about these? I like these. Y'all, I cannot find the name of these right here in particular, but don't you worry, I will have it right here though. And y'all can check it out. And plus I'll have all of the links of the glasses that I am reviewing down in the description below, including a code, so you can check that out. But yeah, I'm gonna go on ahead and go to the next pair since I cannot find what name these were in particular. So let's go ahead and get into glasses number 2. So here is the second pair of glasses that I did receive, and I will also make sure to have this down in the description below as well, including the code that where you can get your coins off during checkout. But they're basically thick black framed type of glasses, definitely giving corporate. I don't know why, but these remind me of the glasses that little woman wore off of The Incredibles. The pair of glasses with lighting. Try these on. Okay, so here is the second pair, giving very much business, corporate, of course. I really like how thick these frames are. They're very thick. I don't know, I like the first choice, but this is more corporate style. If you're looking for something that has more of that everyday professional wear, I will go with these. But if you want something kind of spunky and more vibrant, definitely the first choice. But they feel very snug against my face. They don't feel too heavy or anything like that. They feel good behind my ear. It don't feel too tight. And if you're wondering which prescription I have all these glasses in, it's actually no prescription, but they have a list on their website where you can pick whatever prescription that you need for your lenses. For these are just for display. Wear any kind of prescriptions or nothing like that. I usually wear reading glasses, and that's furthermore is about it for prescription really, but I really do like these. I'm gonna cut the light off, that way you can see how these glasses look. No lighting, so you can see the lens a lot better. Yeah, I would recommend these if you are just wanting something like a nice everyday, something to match with your wardrobe, look good for work, but still be in style. And I'll also have the name right here. And if you're interested in these, I will have the link also down in the description box below for you to check out. We're gonna go to our third pair, but I like these. They're not something that I would wear in particular, but I like them, you know. But this is one of their newest collections, and baby, oh my God, look at the pearls on the sides. Yo, y'all, I think I was talking too early in the middle of this video. Oh, now these right here match the outfit for today. This blush pink and these cute chrome stars. Y'all, I'm so girly, I know, but these frames right here for my girly girl, hold on, let's put them on right here to try on. Y'all, I am tripping. Oh my, cut the show. I think this is it. I think this is it right here. Look at the details. I am so in love with the gold and the pearl and these chrome stars. Let me cut the light off so you can see how this looks. Can kind of throw everything off. But here is the glasses without the ring light, so we know what we get into. The glasses does not feel tight at all. I feel like they can kind of be a little bit more snug against my face, but they don't feel too tight. Very comfortable against my nose. It's not too much pressure up here or anything. And they look so good on me. One more look before we get into the next one. The fourth pair that we're about to get into is one of their clear frames. Now these are cute. This is something that you can wear if you're looking for a pair of frames that matches with like your everyday style, and it gives you that pop to the face. It has like that nice popular frame. You can compare this with anything in your closet. I can wear this with something sporty, but I like these. They go with everything. Basic glasses, but they're very cute. Here are the frames without any lights. I love like the big frame. If you're wondering what particular glasses I'm wearing in this video, the name will be right here. We're off to the fifth pair. Oh my goodness, it's teal green. Almost done. Let's put these on. These are cute. To be honest, it's giving me probably teacher, librarian, magic school bus. I am so in love with this hunter green in the front. I would have loved this if it was like green plus gold. Nice tropical style type of look. That light won't crash into the lenses, so you can see this a whole lot better. What do you think about these? It just definitely gives off that tropical wisdom teacher type of look. Yeah, I will wear these. I feel like they would have looked better with maybe some gold on the sides, but the brown is a good touch too. It grew on me, so. And last but not least, we got these sexy reds right here. There ain't nothing sexier than red. I feel like I look good in red. I'm an Aries, y'all, so anything dealing with red, that is my color. But here are the frames. Even cherry. It's off really, really good, y'all. All right, so let's try these on. Yeah, these are cute. Basic, but they're cute. Just like the clear ones, I feel like they don't have like any design or nothing. They're just clear and classic, but that's what makes it so cute. I'm definitely loving the red frames. I will probably pick these before the clear ones. Let me show you how these look with no lights. Red ones with less lighting. Here are the sides. Absolutely love these blood cherry frame glasses. Oh God, you know I'm a sucker for red, so anything that's red, baby. And I'll have the name right there. And all of the links will be down in the description below, y'all. So that wraps up the whole video. I hope we found your favorite pair of frames. If so, which pair would you go for? Because I definitely found mine. These right here, which are my most favorite. But that wraps up about everything. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye. Baby, did you know that